Good evening, traders. Adam here to do another nightly watch list for you. Right now we're looking at the S&P 500. Looks like it's starting to do a nice little bear flag under the 50-day moving average. We are extremely oversold after that nice little rundown, so we might still get another consolidation point or a nice little pop-up high. Right now we are still looking bearish though, and we could see our next support level being down here at the 1156 area. It's always a good idea to have a bunch of longs and shorts on your watch list, so just be ready for anything this week. First up, we got ISTA. Looks like a good red to green. It's going to be putting it over this 200-day moving average, which is going to be a strong breakout area. Could see a run up to 7. NEWN, I got this on both a red to green watch and a dollar roll. If you don't know what those are, check it out in the Traders Lounge. I talk about both with lots of examples. You could get on either or, you could get on both. CIE. Look at it for a takeout of these highs at 1120 area. This is very strong. Could go red to green, but I would wait for the takeout of the highs on this one so you're not buying it into resistance. ZQK did earnings on Friday. They were very good. We're seeing a pop up into this resistance. Wait for a takeout of this level of the 353 area before getting into this one. CK, it's got a nice little range going on right now. It's been a very strong stock as it's come up out of the 230 range into the 5s. Look for a continued base and then just a push higher here. TSYS, been beaten down over and over again. Finally it's starting to look like it's putting in a base. Look for a push above the 232 level. Maybe we can see a push all the way into the 255 area. LINC, we're seeing finally a flattening of the 50-day moving average. As you can see, it's been strong resistance. Once it flattens, we could see a pop over. CPWM, been a strong stock. It's right where it actually needs to be on the breakout level, so you can still get in. Wait for a break of these highs, and you could see a nice run all the way to 1020. ZIOP, this is on short watch. We got a nice bear flags, one of my favorite bear flag setups. We get a break of the 50-day moving average, a pull back into it on low volume. So buy it when it gets over here to the 460 area, or I mean short it, sorry. And then you can get a target price of 418. One of my favorite setups on this list today. Love, I'm actually long this one right now. Airline stocks pushed higher. Pretty much all of them, they all finished at the highs. If I can get a gap up tomorrow morning, I'll scale out, or at least, or probably take all my profits on this one if the market's weak. PMCS, another beaten down stock, looks to be putting in the bottom. Look at the takeout of the 518, 517 range, maybe even a takeout just of the highs. Very oversold, get good volume on this. Could be a runner. GTIV has been basing forever, probably continue to base forever. Getting more support on the 20-day moving average. Look for a takeout of this range. It's going to have a lot of eyes on it, so it's going to trade really quick. Make sure you take profits quick on this one. BZ been flagging nicely on this line here. It's finally getting support on the 50 and the 20-day moving average. Look for a takeout of the 620, 630 area for a nice push. The PANL on short watch. Look for a break of the support here. Definitely been beaten down, but can still run. It is oversold, so don't expect for too big of a push lower. LF, kind of a messy stock, but you could see it take out the highs. It's been a strong stock in all this weakness. It's got good volume coming in. It's not overbought. Look for a takeout of the 612 area. CMC, still on short watch. One of these days this thing's going to break down below this 200-day moving average. Definitely keep it on watch. ANF, also on short watch. Got nice support here. I would look for it to target to 44.22. NPBC, been tapping this 850 range over and over. One of these days it's going to break it. Got good volume on Friday. Look for a takeout of those. BRLI, strong stock, finally starting to work off these conditions, these overbought conditions. Flagging under the 50-day moving average. Look for a takeout of that. SIGA, flagging on the 20-day moving average. Look for a takeout of the highs of the 226. KFN, still basing here. And LGF still looks like a good short below her. Alright everybody, that's it. Be ready for a low volume week. Get your longs and your shorts ready. And good luck to you.